Hey designers, in this video, we're going to create an ink splash effect in After Effects. Start by creating a new document and importing the two videos you want to transition between. Drag and drop the first video, then do the same for the second video. Offset the second video by a few frames to create the transition. Now, import the ink splash effect and adjust its scale and position. If the effect is too slow, enable time remapping on the layer and adjust the timing to speed it up. I'll let you know how it's done. Select this layer. Go to Layer, Time. You'll see the two keyframes. Move the end keyframe and place it to the frame you want your animation to end. Now you'll notice the ink splash effect is moving at a faster speed. Now that our video ends on the second frame, we need to address the rest of the layer, which shows just the frozen end frame. Select this layer and trim it to the second keyframe by pressing Alt and the right square bracket. Then, offset this layer to align with the point where the second video is placed. Next, select Layer 2 and check the Track Matte options. If you can't see them, press F4 or choose the ink video as the matte. Now Alpha Matte is selected. Click in this box to select Luma Matte instead. Now click on the box next to it to invert the colors. If you're using older versions of After Effects, you'll see options for Alpha Matte and Luma Matte, making it easier to do. Now, this is the animation that we've achieved. Let's play the animation now. Okay, at this point, you'll notice that the video below suddenly disappears, which doesn't look nice. To fix this, we'll duplicate this video by pressing Ctrl+D on the keyboard, move it to the top, and position the playhead at the point where the ink splash effect layer ends. Press T for opacity. Make sure no matte is selected. Then click on the opacity stopwatch. Move a few frames backward and set the opacity to 0. Now, on playing the animation, everything moves smoothly. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, and consider subscribing to my channel.